going to show you a trick that you can teach. Take the balloon and put it inside the other balloon like that. We'll blow it down like that. Take the inside balloon and blow it out. Tie that balloon in a knot, and it's just like the Earth, because the Earth has a atmosphere. You take the outside balloon and you say some magic words. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. No, let's blow the balloon out. Okay, now I'm going to show you a little bit of science because I know you have to get on the bus, you have to go back to school, and it's lots of fun. But sometimes kids are curious how an atmosphere works. An atmosphere works just like this. You have a planet and you have something protecting that planet. So when things try to hit the planet, the atmosphere protects it. But sometimes you get like really, really big objects. Like this or super sharp. Now, I'm going to show you something about an atmosphere. Is an atmosphere a solid, a liquid, or a gas? It's a gas. So it's a very, very thick gas. Not as thick as some of the atmospheres on Saturn or Jupiter or Venus, but it is thick. But sometimes if you have a gas, you can pass through, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You take something like this, and you go,
Wow!
you go right inside. Now, what's interesting about that is some people think that's a trick. It is not a trick, because I need someone to pull that stick out. Someone who's like super fast, you really can't be slow. You got to be at least 6 years old. Okay, come on. Now, when you do this, you have to be extra careful, and you have to pull it as slowly as you can. No, just pull it out. Okay, give her a hand clap. She's going to sit back down. Now, I'm going to show you one final trick because this works always the same way. This has a bunch of gas in it. It's also made of elastic. It's just like this. This is my friend right here. Now, if she tries to get away, I can just hold really, really tight. That's what the elastic is doing to the stick. The air wants to get out. It's like, no, you can't go anywhere. It's going just like that. But if you take it like this, I'm going to show you a real trick. You can take it and you can go, oi! Take the balloon on the inside, you see the top. And then what you do is you look for the point that is most dense. Do you see it? It's obvious because it has letters written on it. No, there's no letters on it. Why is the point so obvious? You see it has a color difference. What color is it? Darker white. You can see it right there. It's right in the middle. Now keep your eyes on that point because I'm going to try a super trick. Sometimes this trick works on Thursdays. Today it is. It may not work, right? So let's watch it and see. Do you see the stick?
Yeah.
And I'm going to try really, really hard. And watch it. That is science. That is science. It works because this elastic is trying its best to close. You can see there's a small hole, and I can plug that small hole with my wonderful stick that looks just like this. And there's still 2 more holes at the top. And you could take this home back to school. Now when you go to school, I want you to remember that every time you're curious, you raise your hand and ask. There's always something you want to know. You probably want to know how many vegetables I ate to get this tall. A lot. All I ate was cauliflower and broccoli all of my life. And you could be this tall too. I want to make sure that everybody knows that as you leave, Mr. Chris is going to give you a pass that allows for each of you to come back for free one time. You can give it to your parents and say, take me back to your science labs, and they don't even have to pay. There also will be a card that explains something